My name's Emma Benzaquen. I go to Crop and I'm in 10th grade, so I'm a sophomore. I've heard from a lot of other people that they increased a lot when they first started pizza pie, and same thing with my sister. My sister also did pizza pie and she increased a lot. So I was like, I don't even think I want to try with any other tutor. I just want to go straight to pizza pie before I do anything. I think that a lot of colleges focus on SAT scores, especially here in Florida and in other schools also. So I definitely wanted to start with a strong SAT score for applications. I think it was probably the timing because you didn't really have a lot of time if you wanted to look back at your answers, specifically on the second section since they were harder. The timing was definitely, I thought, was going to be an issue for me. I think definitely the Zoom meetings that were 4 hours, I didn't think I was going to be able to have enough stamina to pay attention during the full class, but I did end up doing it and I didn't have really a problem with that. The reason why I could stay focused for so long was because it was interactive. It wasn't just the teacher talking to us the whole time and us just listening. It was also us asking questions or them asking for us to explain it. So definitely the fact that it was interactive, I think kept me focused. I think definitely I'm more of a focus and I do better when it's in person. I'm not really that good with Zoom, but it honestly did change my mind because I stayed focused and I was able to understand everything through Zoom also. They put you with people that kind of have the same learning pace as you. So it's not like one person is going a lot faster than the others. It's everyone's kind of on the same pace. Yeah, I loved my tutor. They felt qualified. They knew what they were doing. I think they should definitely know that it is time consuming and that the effort that you put in does really matter because they give you so much homework. So if you're not trying, you're not doing your best, obviously you're not going to see the results that you want. So definitely putting that your 100% effort is definitely worth it.
Well, I think it's the right approach that you are very knowledgeable of how the exam works, and you teach the kids how to overcome their fears and the way they have to practice and study, and especially put the focus on the practice. And it's time consuming, but as Emma was saying, it's worth it. Yeah, and I had a good experience with both of my daughters. Like they increased a lot after doing the program.
I think definitely the top two was first, the Zoom classes helped me the most. I know the homework, obviously, I can watch the videos and it helps me, but when I'm speaking to someone, I feel like I remember it more. So that was definitely the first thing that helped me the most. And then also the mock exams, practicing the timing on how much time I should take on each question. And definitely the mock exams are exactly like the SAT. So I think that's what also helped me the most. Oh, the final score that I got on math was a 770, and at first I had a 600. I think I'm definitely really happy just because it was only my second SAT, and I immediately started with pizza pie, so I knew that it was gonna work, and I just wanted to get it kind of math over with, so I would have the rest of the year just to focus on English. My math score wasn't good at first, and now that I already know I have my math score, it's definitely made me more confident now. It is very time consuming, but at the end of the day, you can tell it's worth it. You've seen it with all on the Instagram. You see all the improvements that everyone has, whether you end up with a good score or not. The improvement from the first SAT to the one after pizza pie it's huge.
Well, I would say to start early is definitely a good advice because now she has her focus on the junior year and the other subjects. And also that definitely worth it to get in the program if they can afford it. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. We always say start early. If you think it's too early, it's never too early.
Yeah, especially because you can average the scores now, so it's worth to give it a try.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely say that the homework, I know it's a lot, but it is worth it because all the questions that we practice and everything, you see at least one of each on the SAT. So to not skip over anything and really spend their time on the homework.